The Raxium LED projector headlights with daytime running lights and sequential turn signals, black housings, and clear lenses are a stylish and functional upgrade for your 2010 to 2012 Mustang with factory halogen headlights. For owners who want improved nighttime vision, visibility, and bonus of modern aesthetics, these headlights provide a sharper, more focused beam pattern while adding aggressive styling with integrated daytime running lights and sequential turn signals. Whether you're looking for a better lighting performance or want to enhance the front end appearance of your Mustang, these are a solid option. These headlights feature a high-powered LED projector technology, which produces a brighter and more concentrated light output compared to stock halogen headlights. This gives you improved visibility for safer nighttime driving with a sharp cutoff to reduce glare for oncoming drivers. One of the standout features is the integrated white LED daytime running lights, which give your Mustang a modern and aggressive look. Also, the headlights include sequential turn signals, a premium feature found on high-end sports cars. When you activate the turn signals, the LEDs illuminate in a smooth, flowing pattern, adding an eye-catching custom touch to your Mustang's lighting setup. These headlights also have this sleek black housing with a clear lens, giving your Mustang a bold, aggressive appearance without compromising that light output with the clear lens. The plug-and-play design ensures an easy install process, making this a simple yet very impactful upgrade. Built for long-lasting durability, these headlights are constructed with high-quality polycarbonate lenses that resist cracking, fading, and yellowing over time like those stock lenses tend to do. The black ABS housing provides a rugged and stylish look while protecting the internal components from moisture and debris. These headlights are going to be fully weather sealed, ensuring they perform well in harsh weather conditions without fogging or having any of those condensation issues inside the lens. Now, as far as pricing goes on these, they're coming in right in that lower 700s price range. So for a premium pair of headlights that adds aggressive custom aesthetic to your car, they do come in at a fairly premium price. But in my opinion, the spend can be justified by the upgraded customization that you're going to get and the look that this is going to give to your Mustang's front end. Now, the install on these lights is designed for a direct bolt-on installation, utilizing your Mustang's factory mounting points and reusing that factory wiring harness. The sequential turn signal and the daytime running light bar portion of the headlight will require some splicing into the wiring harness with the supplied connectors, so we're going to give this a light 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. But you should be able to get these done right in your driveway in about 2 hours or less of your time to complete the job. Now, let's see exactly how that process goes with an install video from one of our American Muscle customers.
For the Raxium headlight installation, the instructions called for a 7mm socket, an 8mm socket, a 10mm socket, and a 19mm socket, also the ratchet, and then a push pin panel remover. And then also it called for a jack stand and a jack. Hey American Muscle fans, today we're removing the OEM style headlights and replacing them with the Raxium LED with projector DRLs. Now you remove the 2 7mm screws, one right here, and then the 2 push pins, one up here and one over there. And you may have another 7mm screw right there, but this one I only have the 2 right there. Okay, now we have 4 more 7mm screws underneath the bumper here. So we're gonna go ahead and take one of those off one by one. Okay, next up we're moving 8 plastic push clips, one here, one here, 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 and finally here. So we'll start over here. And then we can remove the radiator cover right here. Next up, we have two 8mm bolts, one right here, and then one right here. So we'll go ahead and take those off. Okay, next step, we gently pull off the bumper on this side and then the same on the other side. You're gonna have to disconnect the side marker lights here as well. Next step is to remove the two 10mm socket screws here, one and one there, and then the same on the other side. Alright, then we have one more 10mm screw on the top. And then after that we can remove the harness as well. Now with the 10mm socket screw out, we can undo the harness here. Alright, now we are using the DLR harness and we're going to route it from the battery through down here and then to the left to connect to both headlights. So I'm going to put it under the bar here and just have that, you know, ready to go when we need it. And then we're going to bring this one down over here for the meantime. And this one's going to follow through here. And we'll get it all zip tied up. I just want to get it laid out first. I'm going to route it through here and then down in. Make sure to go under the bars. And then we're in there. Alright, now we're connecting the wiring harness to the battery terminals for the DLR headlights. And I connected the negative right here. I'm just going to tighten it down and then we're going to do the same with the positive over here. Okay. Now we're going to use the included zip ties here to connect the harness to existing harnesses, just so it stays in place. And we'll come back in and cut those after we get it all done. Okay, now we have the new Raxium headlight that we're going to install just using these plugs here, the one here, and then the DLR plug. So we're going to go ahead and just get that plugged in. Connect, or no, I'm sorry, wrong plug. We're going to go here to this one. Click that in. This one goes with this. And then finally the DLR. Clip that on. And then we can just slide it in and make sure that it's going to line up here with each clip. Give the push pin going in and then the 10mm screw. Okay, and then we have the two 10mm that are going to go underneath here as well. Now we can put the bumper back on. And then we'll just set those screws in place. And then we can snap the bumper back into place here. Okay, now we're going to tighten the 8mm screws back on here. Okay, just slide those under. Okay, and then here we have the 8 push clips that are going to go back in here. Okay, so now 8 push clips, one here, one here, one here, final one. And now the 4 7mm screws that go under the bumper. Now the push pins and the 2 7mm screws. We're going to start with the push pins right here.
Well, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the Raxium LED projector headlights with daytime running lights and sequential turn signals, black housings, and clear lenses for the 2010 to 2012 Mustangs with factory halogen headlights. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.